Hello, you magical people. Welcome back on Salted Sugar Saga. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified for all the upcoming videos. Today, we are making a very tasty and unique kind of appetizer, which are tortillas. These have perfect crust, cheese burst, and so many delicious veggies, overloaded actually. And not only that, we're gonna make Oreo shake as well. So this is double dhamaka recipe. Do try this recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. So for this recipe, we need some basic veggies which are healthy and full of nutrients. First of all, some bell peppers, then some corns and onions, which are roughly chopped and separate from each other. Then some mushrooms. Veggies are all always up to you what veggies you want to use, and almost everybody's, I should say, favorite, paneer. So here firstly we're gonna marinate our veggies separately. We're gonna do the marination. For that we need a little bit of ginger garlic paste, followed by some salt and some red chili powder. Instead of red chili powder, you can also use black pepper, which has a very distinct and nice flavor. After marinating it, we're gonna keep it back onto the plate and keep it aside and marinate all our veggies with those three basic ingredients and keep them aside. Do not forget to mix them really well. Back onto the plate, and that's it. Once if you make this recipe, I'm 100% sure that you will forget about any other pizza brand, store-bought pizzas. This pizza without any basic pizza crust, these tortillas are yum, and they can beat the real pizzas. So I have taken this sifter. We're gonna place all the paneer cubes onto that, and now we're gonna grill them directly on the flame. We just want some grill marks and that little bit of smoky flavor which this gonna give us. See how beautiful grill marks, some charred skin we have got. Same way we're gonna cook all our veggies. See, can you see those beautiful grill marks this has given us? Beautiful charred skin, and it has a very beautiful flavor as well. Mushroom also I have done in the same way. Now I have taken some tortillas. In total I have made 4 pizzas, and for that I have taken 8 tortillas, and I have prick the tortillas with the help of a fork because we don't want the tortillas to puff up. So that's why we have pricked both the sides of the tortillas, and we're gonna fill it first with the cheese. The first layer of tortillas is filled with nicely with the cheese, and now we're gonna add a little bit of oregano and garlic seasoning, a basic pizza seasoning. And now this upper layer is also pricked with fork, and now we're gonna lightly brush our pan on medium heat. We're gonna keep it. The whole process you can directly do on a pan, but because I want to show you in detail how to do it, that's why I'm doing it all separately. Otherwise you can just place the tortilla wrap directly onto a pan, fill it with cheese and cover it with another tortilla, and you will be good to go. So as you can see, it's nicely melted. Now we're gonna layer our tortilla with some pizza sauce. And as I was telling you, you can do all these things directly onto a pan. After filling it, just cover it with another layer and put this pizza sauce and a little bit of cheese. And now we're going to place all our grilled and charred veggies. Trust me, once if you have made this recipe, you want to make this recipe every time, all the day, and you forget about the store-bought pizzas. Really, Now we'll add some olives. All the veggies you can add as per your taste. If you don't like olives, you can just skip them. It's optional. I just love olives, so I want to add extra. So we're gonna add some pizza seasoning, oregano, and some herbs, and a little bit pinch of salt. And see how beautiful golden crust we have got. Now this pizza is done. Now we're gonna make other pizza. This time I'm gonna make mushroom pizza. So I'm gonna add all my veggies, but not the paneer in this one. So you can do some variations in your pizzas. It's time to make some quick Oreo shake. I have taken an Oreo pack. I have added all the Oreos in that except 2 and added some chilled whole milk along with some coffee powder, some sugar, and Summer's Lifeline ice cubes. We're gonna grind it and make our Oreo milkshake. To make it fancy, I'm gonna add some chocolate syrup in the inner wall of my glass, and now I'm gonna add some more ice cubes and I'm gonna pour the Oreo shake. See, it is not that thick, it's perfectly drinkable Oreo shake, because the thick Oreo shakes will be really heavy on the stomach. It doesn't have any ice cream or any cream in that. It's perfectly quickly served Oreo milkshake in your own kitchen. Now it's time to serve and take a sneak peek. How is our pizza looking? Oreo shake is halfway gone. So let's see before this pizza also vanishes away. So see the cheese, the gooey center, and it's looking so tempting that the whole pizza, I've made 4 pizza and it's gone just in a snap. If you and your family like this recipe, do not forget to mention that in the comment section down below. Until next time, take care, bye bye, and keep watching Salt and Sugar Saga.